How long is the service life of pyrolysis machine? The life cycle of pyrolysis machine depends on many factors, basically maintained at 4 to 8 years. The manufacturing process and the materials of different pyrolysis machines are the main factors affecting the life of pyrolysis machine. The regular inspection and maintenance work will also affect the life cycle. When choosing a pyrolysis machine, it is necessary to focus on the thickness, welding method, and craftsmanship of the steel plate used in the pyrolysis reactor. In general, material and plate thickness of reactors can be customized. However, more attention should be paid to welding and equipment details. It is recommended to use arc compression head design and fully automatic submerged arc welding process. After machine installation, workers also need to closely monitor the machine, such as temperature, pressure, and energy consumption. In addition, it is best to regularly conduct a comprehensive machine examination. Potential problems can be identified in advance. Pyrolysis furnace is often under high load, operating under adverse working conditions. Its life expectancy will also decrease accordingly. Click the contact link to learn more about doing pyrolysis machine.